Hi everyone, I'm back with another video. So in this video I'm going to unbox the BWOO wireless stereo AirPods. So here you can see the front side of the box. It has a charging time of 2 hours, music time of about 4.5 hours, same time for the talk time, and it has got a battery capacity of 3000 mAh and it has a standby time of 40 hours. This is the other side of the box, and this one is the back side of the box. You can see the specifications that are written over here, and this one is the barcode. The model number is BW03. So let's open the box and see everything we have got inside. So here it is after removing the wrapper, and see. Alright, so first of all we have this paper booklet. I'm sure no one is gonna read it. So here it is, the AirPods. Alright, so there is a light over here. These are actually a quite good replica of the original Apple AirPods. You can see the package and everything about this earbud. So if you're looking for a budget AirPod, this could be a better option for you. Alright, other than this, we have got a charging cable for this one. So the cable is actually USB to lightning cable. We have got this one for charging these AirPods. Here you can see the lightning port for charging. So that's all in this video, and I will see you guys soon with another one. Till then, a goodbye.